In today's video, I'll teach you how to create multiple YouTube channels using one Google account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. You can see over here I'm logged into my account. So make sure you're logged into your account too. Now what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface of your YouTube channel. Right over here, you'll be able to see your channel section. What you have to do is click on this option, create a new channel. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the new channel. All you have to do is select the picture, name and handle over here. If you want to select the picture, click on this option, select picture, and you'll be able to do so. Now after that, enter the name over here. Now likewise enter your handle. Now after that, click on this option, create channel, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here new channel has been created. So like this, with one Google account you'll be able to create multiple YouTube channels. So that is how you create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.